Hi, my name is Dr. Simona and I'm a dentist here at 3Dental at the Red Cow, and today I'm going to be talking to you about our at-home teeth whitening kits. Our teeth whitening kit composes of custom-made molds to your teeth. It includes 3 whitening gels which contain carbon white peroxide. You have either a solution of 16% or 10%. Carbon white peroxide then breaks down into hydrogen peroxide, and that's what creates the bleaching effect. Teeth whitening kits are effective and safe when used under supervision of your dentist. Usually patients come in for general consultation first. At that appointment, we would assess your teeth and make sure that they are suitable to do the teeth whitening. When we give you the trays, we instruct you to whiten for 2 weeks. You then come back at that 2 weeks and we reevaluate how your teeth have lifted, and then you continue to whiten for another week or so until you get to your desired whitening shade. Here at 3Dental, we offer 2 types of whitening kits, PolaNight or Enlighten. Having that consultation with your dentist and they can tell you which one you're more suited for. At-home whitening kits are far better compared to the over-the-counter ones, again, just because it's custom made. Hydrogen peroxide is the active agent and they will be monitored. Those LED whitening kits that you see on TikTok may not show the true results simply because we don't know what they're using, and also a bit of Photoshop. The results of the teeth whitening will depend on your overall lifestyle factors, your diet and your oral hygiene. The teeth whitening kits are not suitable for people who have gum disease, poor and discolored restorations, dental enamel defects, and dark teeth stained from an old root canal. Teeth whitening kits cannot damage enamel. However, in some cases, you can get a little bit of sensitivity, which gradually fades away. If you're looking for a wider, more confident smile, you can book an appointment for your teeth whitening consultation via our website or giving us a call. We'll be happy to see you.